How to fix and solve Yahoo Mail too many attempts, try again later. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve Yahoo Mail too many attempts, try again later issue. Now if you're facing too many attempts error on the Yahoo Mail, then you could try following the steps. Now if you're using an application, then you could try updating it. So go to the Play Store and on the search box you want to type in Yahoo Mail. When you do it so, you could see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If it needs to be updated, click the update button and try logging into your account. That should be able to fix it. So now likewise, apart from it, what else you could also do is try cleaning your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to long press the application, go to this I button or the app info, and make sure to go to storage and cache and click on clear cache as well as storage. Now clearing your storage is going to delete some of your data permanently, so only if you're sure about it, then click the OK button, or else just leave it as it is. Once you've done it so, try login once again. That should be able to fix it so. However, if it isn't able to do it so, or this isn't working out, then you could also try uninstalling the application and reinstalling your Yahoo Mail at the same time and restarting the device. That can be able to fix it so. So usually this kind of issue appears when you've tried to log in into your Yahoo Mail too many times, or that you've tried to log in into your account with some incorrect credential as well. So you could also make sure to check your credential when you're trying to log in into your Yahoo Mail. So if you try to log in into your Yahoo Mail account using your incorrect credential for too many times, then this sort of issue appears. So the only way to fix it is you could also go ahead and wait for a couple of hours or maybe a day. That can be able to solve it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.